Let's talk tanks, specifically the M1A2 Abrams SEPv3. Now, this isn't just some armored vehicle rolling around, it's a beast. A symbol of power, precision, and pure battlefield dominance. The SEPv3 is the latest and most advanced version of the iconic Abrams. And trust me, it's more than just an upgrade, it's a total evolution. So what makes it special? First off, firepower. It's packing the M256 120mm smoothbore cannon, which, yeah, sounds intense, and it is. It's incredibly accurate, deadly, and paired with upgraded fire control systems that make sure every shot counts. But it's not just about what it can shoot, it's about how it protects itself too. This thing is tough. We're talking advanced composite armor, underbody blast protection, and countermeasures against IEDs and RPGs. It's like a moving fortress. Step inside, and you'll see it's gone full high-tech. The crew's got digital controls, advanced optics, thermal sights, and real-time battlefield data at their fingertips. There's even counter-drone tech built in. It's not just a tank anymore, it's basically a mobile command center. And yeah, it moves under the hood. There's a 1,500 horsepower gas turbine engine that gets this 70-ton machine moving at over 40 miles per hour, no problem. And the new power systems? They're more efficient than ever, paving the way for future hybrid or electric versions. So what does that all add up to? The M1A2 Abrams SEPv3 is smarter, tougher, and deadlier than anything that came before it. It's a tank built not just for today's battlefield, but for tomorrow's wars. The Abrams SEPv3, dominance redefined. Or you like this cat? Add a like for this content as a support. This is a video about the world's most powerful weapons. If you like it, then go watch it.